everybody, this is going to be a hair review video if you haven't noticed. So in the beginning you guys saw me pretty much just play around with the hair and showing you guys that it can curl even after being dyed. This hair is from SIYO hair, which is an AliExpress store, so it's spelled SIYO. And they did send me some straight bundles. They did come to me dark. No, it did not come to me colored like this. Of course, I colored this myself and I am super impressed. So first I want to start about the just dyeing this hair and toning it and coloring it, because the process was super easy. So I am super impressed with the fact that this hair bleached very nicely. It's so hard to get hair from AliExpress that will bleach to a nice pretty blonde color. And then another thing is it's so hard to get the different tones, so it's just like a really nice blend of blonde. So I am giving this an A for bleaching, and I did tone this. So I bleached this twice, as you guys can see, to give me the blonde color. And I was kind of on the fence about this hair because it only bleached to like a sandy blonde, and then I toned it and it gave me that honey blonde look that I was going for, and it also gave me like the brown tones just to blend the closure in. This is a 4x4 closure. The lengths I got were a 12, 14, 16, and an 18, and the hair literally bounced back. It held a curl. I curled this about a week ago, and it gave me that loose wave that I was looking for, something just really toned down, really nice, simple, easy for summertime, and the hair color just came out gorgeous. Now, even after bleaching, I do feel like I can bleach this one more time. Like, I would feel safe bleaching this one more time just to get it a little bit lighter, but I'm actually not mad at the overall color. This hair does not shed, so it hasn't shed since I've had it, and I've had this hair for about a month, and I've just been holding on to it, playing around with it, seeing what it was going to give before I did this review. So I haven't had any shedding, no tangling. The hair is super soft. I don't have any product in it, so that's another thing that I'm very impressed with. I did not have to put any product in this hair, and I'm so excited about the multi-tones of blonde. And I'm just going to move up closer so you guys can see the different tones. It just came out really nice. Now, another thing that I can say is that the closure did not bleach as light as the bundles, which I find that very common with AliExpress hair, but it still gave me the effect to where it blends really nicely and naturally. And again, I think I want to bleach this one more time just to give me a lighter blonde, but for the most part, this hair is holding up really nice. Another thing is with the closure, I find that this closure is full, so it does have a lot of hair. It's not balding, it's not shedding. It does have a little bit of flyaways, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but right here, if you look at my hand back here, there are some flyaways just starting to poke out, but they're not too it's not too many where it looks unnatural and it just looks crazy. This wig was made on a spandex cap, so it was super easy to construct. I was able to get my thread and needle through the wefts, which is also a big plus for me, because when it comes to securing the wefts to your head or to a wig, you want to be able to get the needle through the weft so you can actually secure it to the cap. So that was a big plus for me too. I literally have no complaints about this hair. I will show you guys the ends of the hair. Overall, they're in really good condition. Only thing, I did not flat iron these. I used a bumper curler. You guys saw me flat iron just this little one piece in the front just to give it a little bounce, but other than that, all I used was bumper curlers. I didn't blow dry this hair, I let it air dry. And I think that's another thing with preserving your bundles or weave extensions, whatever. You got to minimize the heat and just let it do its thing. So I did let this air dry, and it came out really pretty. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.